This vehicle is a battery-powered rail turntable electric flat car customized by Hainan Part Fit Handling Equipment Co., Ltd. The flat car is 3.6 meters long, 2 meters wide, and has a load capacity of 10 tons. It is powered by batteries with lifting holes reserved on the sides for hoisting. The platform is equipped with a turntable that can rotate 360 degrees. Both the platform and chassis can be disassembled. The industrial-grade remote control operates the stopping and moving actions, ensuring high safety, long endurance, simple operation, stable and flexible running, and easy handling. Part-Fit electric flat cars have many years of product experience. Orders are welcome.